Hello guys, welcome back in a technology welfare. Let's observe in this video tutorial how to exit if your iPhone device has frozen or is stuck in a recovery mode or DFU mode. Not only one iPhone device guys, any Apple product, this can be exited by using these tools if it stuck or freezes in recovery or DFU mode. So how you will do it? Simply guys, I will open these tools. This tool name is a ReiBoot tool. It has been developed by Tinosia. So just I am going to connect this iPhone device with the help of data cable here, and I will click on here enter and exit. So let's see. Now see guys, it has automatically detected that you have option to exit here. If your device, by your own customizations, you want to push on any Apple product device into the recovery mode or DFU mode, of course by this will be enter option will be highlighted, and by clicking here by free of course you can. So at the moment just I am going to exit because my device has been stuck in a frozen. So just I am going to click to exit here. So now see it's trying to exit. So see at the moment when it's going to out from recovery mode, then this enter option will be highlighted. So this is very easy and by free of course. So download link I have already given below the description box. If you wanna, of course by 1Click so you can download it by free of course. So this is a highly useful tools guys. Of course I recommend if anyone who is an iPhone consumer, you can ahead to download it by free of course. So now see guys, this enter option has been highlighted. So it's not only merely for iPhone device. Of course you can exit or enter from the recovery mode or DFU mode any Apple product, either it is your iPhone, iPad, iPod, Touch or Apple TV, of course. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. If it is acknowledgeable and informative, then please ponder to a like and subscribe of this technology welfare, because this is a thing that will motivate me to make more and more video for accelerating knowledge in IT field guys. So thank you very much indeed for watching technology welfare. Have a great time.